Found this great looking spot looking down on Google Earth of a wetland nearby. Yeah, looks magnificent. Yeah, that's got to make a big difference. Yeah, when you're ready I'll stop dicking around and... Sorry? Yeah, when you're ready to fly I'll... Yeah. Yeah, a bit gusty, but I don't think it's anything we can't handle. Ah, dead.
Mandated field interference. Aircraft is in attitude mode, so do not hover. Please fly with caution. IMU error. Calibrate IMU.
Which turned out over time not to be fixable. So I decided to take off from the Bugs3 anyway. And looking at the video, you think this is a successful flight. It's smooth. Turn around to pond number 9. There's about 9 ponds in the complex. Look behind us into the wind, and then turn around to take in the full site. So a lovely controlled flight, or so it seems. At this stage I'm dropping down. Still looking good. About now I've got trees between me and line of sight. Going down, bit of a thump, but reasonably controlled landing. So if you looked at that, you think no problems. Here's the view through the goggles. Even though I'd calibrated the goggles, I was still getting a bit of interference on the ground, and I thought, okay, it'll go away as they go up. So I took it up, and once I was in the air, to my surprise, it was getting worse. So I turn around, looking at the full site. It's still very weird looking interference, but I can fly with it. So I'm starting to move away, and I'm starting to worry about what I'm seeing, and then I have real severe breakup. So at this point I'm just looking to land, and I'm not quite sure where I am, but I can see the path below me, and I know that's in the wetland. So the plan is to put it down as close to that path as I can. So at this stage I'm not thinking about line of sight or anything like that. I'm just focused on that path, dropping it down and get as close as I can, and there I lose it. And you can see it's a fairly hard thump as it comes down, and that turned out to do a bit of damage I didn't know about until later on. So after that experience we went to a site that I've flown before that I knew I've got no problems with, near the sports ground complex. The wind had come up a bit by then, and also Alan had realised that he couldn't recalibrate the IMU. It turns out I had to go back to Sydney for work. So at this stage I'm on my own with the Bugs3, and it seemed to be okay. So I checked it out, up it went, and lovely and clear through the goggles, so clearly it was site related. Flying nicely into the wind.
Over the skate ramp and over the over where the track is. Coming over the tennis courts.
So I turn around, heading back towards us, and I've lost control. It's just going down the dive.
You crashed.
It seemed to power off, yeah.
I know where you crashed too.
Right, that's handy.
Saw you freaking crash.
Yeah, it was coming down fast, so I gunned it, and it just sort of ignored me.
Saw you.
Shit, this is turned into a bit of a runner.
1, 2, 3, 4, just past the 4, by that post. I thought you were flying on one of those low ones, you know?
Nah. No.
Things go wrong, they go wrong.
Do they ever? In spades.
Yep.
Ah.
So it broke off in mid-air.
Yeah. It might have been a bit loose and I didn't
Yeah,
recognise it, and then it just
Yeah.
sort of vibrated
I
off.
wonder if that was the interference. Did you get the info? You didn't get the
No, it was flying nicely, and then it just wasn't.
So back at the house, this shows where it was. The solder joint had just come off, probably when it hit hard reverse. And this solves the mystery. That's a sight from Google Earth, up close, where we could walk into the middle of the parkland. Turns out it's a $30 million project with all sorts of pumps and infrastructure underneath recirculating water. So we walked past a massive array of switchgear and a concrete pad with hatches in it. We didn't spot what was going on. So surprise,